My dear fourth grade children, how are you ma? Are you fine? Are you stay at home? Okay ma, don't go outside unnecessary. Obey your parents. Okay? Okay, fine. Let us start to study ma. In the previous class, what subject we are studying? Now we are studying the social science. I am Sheila. I am your social teacher. Okay? Okay. Now we are study the social, that is under geography first lesson, isn't it? What's the title of the lesson? Do you know? Yeah, the title of the lesson is types and elements of maps. What title ma? Types and elements of map. In the last class, so in the previous class, we learned types of maps and scale, colors, rudiments, direction, everything we studied, isn't it? Okay. First of all, we must understand. Now we are studying the geography first lesson, isn't it? So, first of all, we need to know that what is geography? That is a social science. That subject, it has three content, that is history, geography, and civics, isn't it? So, first of all, we study what is geography. Geography means what study and why it is very important for us. Okay, do you like to study social science? Okay, okay, ma. And I will say, what is geography? Geography is the study of places and the relationship between people and their environments. Okay, what is the meaning? What is the geography? What study that? Geography is the study of places and their relationship between people and their environment. So the relationship between people and their surroundings is called, that studies the geography. That shows geography. Okay, the geography explores both the physical property of Earth's surface and the human society spread across it. So we are living on the Earth, isn't it? Which planet we are living? We are living on the Earth. So these geographers explores both the physical property of the Earth's surface and the human society spread across on that surface. Can you understand, ma? Geography seeks to understand where things are found. Study what that seeks. It seeks to understand where things are found, why they are there, and how they develop and change over time. Everything, it gives the more information about the earth. So geography means it is a relationship between people and their environment. That's point only, you clear it. Okay ma, never forget. Social science is divided into history, geography, and civics. Now we are studying the first topic from geography. So now we must note that geography means it is a relationship between people and their environment. Okay, ma? Okay. Okay. In the previous class, we learned something about earth, globe, and axis, everything, isn't it? So, what is the something say about something, any three important facts about Earth? Means how do you say? Yeah, very good. This Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. It is the third closest planet to the Sun. Third closest planet to the Sun. Okay. Earth is the only planet known to have lots of liquid, water, air. Okay, so it is a unique planet. This water and air is important for life survival. Okay, the earth is the only planet. The earth is the only planet where life has been found, because here air and water have, isn't it? So this earth is the only planet where life has been found, isn't it? No doubt. Clear it? Okay, fine. This last class we learned more about the earth, isn't it? Okay, so earth is the third planet from the sun. It is a unique planet because it supports life, isn't it? Then how is it supports life? Because due to the presence of air and water, isn't it? Almost 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and the remaining 1/4 is the land part. So this is what makes earth look blue from outer space. Hence it is also referred to as the blue planet. Isn't it? No doubt, no? Clear it? Okay, fine. Let us then last day what we studied, that is what you learned. Then one time recall it. Okay. First of all, last class we studied globe. What is a globe? Do you know? Yeah, very good. Globe is the scale model of the earth, isn't it? Yes, this means that it completely represents our earth. It is a globe is a representation of earth, isn't it? So what is globe? You know, say that globe is a scale model of the earth. What is globe, ma? Yeah, it is a scale model of the earth, isn't it? So this means that it can completely represent our earth. It has all the countries, continents, oceans and seas marked on it. Can you see that? Okay, this each with the different colors. Okay, it is slightly tilted. What is tilted means what? What's the spelling? Say the spell. Yes, Tilted. Tilted means slanting, just like the earth. However, we cannot see all the places on it at time, isn't it? We need to rotate the globe for this purpose. Okay, that is the globe. This globe is the scale model of the earth. Okay, then we studied that maps. What is the type of maps? Maps, what is maps? Map is a diagrammatic representation of the earth. What is map, ma? Map is a diagrammatic representation of the earth. Okay. Then what are the types we studied the last class? Can you remember? Okay, recall it now. Physical map, very good. Physical map, political map and thematic map, isn't it? What is a physical map? Yeah, these maps give the natural features of place like mountains, seas, next rivers, lakes, etc. That is a physical map. Political map means these maps show the boundaries or places made by people and government, isn't it? Okay, physical map means that is a natural features. At the same time, political map means these are man-made. That is a public governments like countries, states, capital cities. That is, what is the thematic map? This map give instruction or information about special topics or themes like rainfall, crops, industries, roads, railways, etc. That's we last class we learned it. And now clear it. Okay, fine mom. Now see here. Now we study that. Then again we studied that scale. What is scale? Scale of map is very important one, isn't it? This information in maps must be accurate. How is it accurate? With the help of the scale. Okay, we should be able to tell what the actual size and the shape of the land is looking at the map. So map is very accurate. What is the meaning of accurate, ma? Yeah, accurate means without any error. So which is one is that very advantageous, globe or map? This map is more accurate. Map is the better than globe because it gives that information must be accurate. We should be able to tell what the actual size and shape of the land is by looking at the map. Okay. Any doubt? Clear it? Okay, ma. Then scale. Scale means the connection between the actual size of something and the size that is drawn on the map. That is also we have already learned it. That is, the different places are shown on a map. However, it is not possible to show the actual distance between two places on a map. Isn't it? Yeah. The full long distances. How it is marked on the map? It is not possible. For instance, if the actual distance between Delhi and Tamil Nadu, then it is not possible to show the actual distance in a map. For example, distance of 500 kilometers on the ground, 500 kilometers is represented by smaller unit, that is 5 centimeters. Which one is the biggest unit? Centimeter or kilometer? Do you know that? Yeah, kilometer is the biggest, isn't it? Centimeter is the smaller unit. So, the distance of 500 kilometers on the ground is directly represented by the map. It is not possible. So, this greater unities, that is larger unities, we change into smaller unit, that is 2 centimeter or 500 kilometers means how we change it? 5 centimeter. That is a scale. But anyway, the information about the map should be accurate. So this we change the scaling up and down. That is also we last class we learned it, isn't it now? Yeah. Then symbols. Symbols or shape or a sign that is used to represent something. Symbol represent something. Symbols increase the readability of the map and make it easier for us to understand maps. What is the use of symbols? Symbols are also very important for the presence of map. How is it useful? The symbols increase the readability of the map and make it easier for us to understand maps. Okay, that is some of the symbols. That is international boundary, state boundary, national highways, then major roads, railway lines, airport, bridge, country capital, state capital, then other cities, district headquarters, rivers, post office, and police station. These are the symbols we studied in the last class. Isn't it, ma? Okay. So if we see that symbol, we understand. Okay, here post office there. PO means post office. Then police station, PS, that okay, here police station is there. We can easy to find that places, locality. Okay, airport, near to railway station, near to national highway, state boundary, capital, country capital, state capital. So if the symbols we know means, if anywhere we see that symbol, we at that time we know, oh okay, here country capital or district headquarters. Okay, so these symbols increase the readability of the map and make it easier for us to understand maps. Okay, ma? So, do you understand? So, the information about the maps should be accurate. Accurate, what's the meaning of accurate, ma? Without any mistake, that is. Okay, then we study that colors on a map. That is reading maps. That is what? When you look at the physical map means what map? That is a natural features. When you look at the physical map, you see that many colors, isn't it? Many colors. These colors have meanings which help us to understand the map. Okay, these colors have meanings which help us to understand the map. Okay, the map of physical features of India shows the land in several colors. These represent the different heights of the land also. Okay, so now listen here. Generally, all maps use a uniform color. Generally, all maps use a uniform color. This color scheme to indicate different types of features such as mountains, deserts, oceans, etc. Okay, blue denotes water bodies like oceans, seas. Blue color means that denotes water bodies. Water bodies means what? That is oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. This is a blue. Common blue. Blue denotes water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes. Okay. At the same time, light blue means that indicates what, ma? Light blue indicates shallow water. Okay, that's also we learn. Light blue indicate shallow water. Okay, whereas deep blue indicates deep water. So, totally all the maps has a uniform color. Not political map one color, thematic map another one color, thematic map that water bodies has another color. Not all the maps have uniform color scheme. Then only we easy to find it. Blue color means it shows only what? Water bodies. Water bodies means ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. At the same time, this blue color is also this light blue color. This light blue color indicates shallow waters. Shallow water means it is opposite to deep water. Okay, so shallow waters, whereas deep blue indicates deep blue, dark blue. That is, that water indicates dark, deep waters. Do you understand, ma? This blue denotes water bodies. Okay. Then light blue indicates shallow water. Shallow water means without very deep. At the same time, dark blue shows very deep waters. Can you understand, ma? Okay? Okay, fine, ma. Now listen here. Then brown. Brown is used to show the mountains and highlands. Brown is also used to show that mountains. Blue means that shows all the water bodies. But at the same time, brown is used to show mountains and highlands. High mountains are indicated in dark brown, while lower mountains and highlands are indicated to light brown and yellow respectively. So these colors on the map are uniform. So brown means is used to show mountains and highlands. Mountains are indicated in dark brown. Mountains are indicated in dark brown, while lower mountains and highlands are indicated in light brown. Okay, ma? Okay. Can you understand? Okay. This clear it? Color clear it? Okay. Now listen here. Directions. What are the directions? You already know that there are four major directions. What's that? North, south, east and west, isn't it? Okay. The top of the the top of the map depicts north, while the bottom depicts south. East is towards the right and west is towards the left. These are the four directions. But if you look at the map, on map you see means the top of the map depicts north, while the bottom south. East is towards the right hand. East is towards the right hand and west is towards the left. Okay. What is the use of the directions? What is the use of the direction, ma? Yes, this direction helps us to find our way. What's the use of direction? This direction helps us to find our way, isn't it? In case we get lost, they help us to locate places on the map. Okay, so the direction helps us to find our way, in which direction this boat is now moving. That's everything. Find a way. The directions help us to find a way. They help us to locate places on the map. A canvas. Canvas spelling? Spell that word. COMPASS. This canvas or a magnet canvas is an instrument that is used to find direction. Okay, the magnetic canvas is used to find direction. It consists of a magnetic needle that always points in the north direction. Okay. Advancement in technology has left the information of the GPS, that is a global positioning system that is used for finding directions. Isn't it, ma? So, we will see that types and elements of map, that is colors and direction and different types of a maps, symbols, scale of a map, types of a map, advantages of a map also we study, isn't it? What is the advantages of a map, ma? Do you know? Advantages of a map over a globe? Yeah, maps are drawn on flat surface like a sheet of paper. They can be folded and carried anywhere easily. But globes take up a lot of space and are not easy to carry it anywhere easily, but clothes take up lot of space and are not easy to carry from one place to another. Second one, on a globe, we cannot see all parts of the earth at a time. At once, we can't see all the parts. Isn't it? Maps give us detailed information which is not possible on a smaller globe. Map gives us detailed information. And maps that the information also be accurate. So these are the advantages of the map. Okay, and some of the limitation also have. That is what maps also have certain limitation. That is, maps being two-dimensional cannot show the covered surface of the earth. Okay, but map is a more accurate, more information gives. So map is very good only. It is a represent of the earth. Okay, now listen here. From this lesson, I will give two questions that you study. Okay, that is your homework. So what you do means take your one geography booklet. One booklet take and write your name. Outside you write geography and next to you inside you clearly copy it. I will give the questions. You clearly copy it. Okay, ma? The first question is, what is a map? What is a map? Do you know? Anyone you say? Please, what is a map? Yeah, very good. Map is a diagrammatic representation of the earth. What is a map? It is a diagrammatic representation of the earth. Second, what helps to make accurate maps? What helps to make accurate maps? Say the answer. The scale only helps to make accurate answer, isn't it? What helps to make accurate? The scale only helps to make accurate. So, these two questions. Then, why is it important for maps to be accurate? Why is it important for maps to be accurate? Do you know the answer, ma? Why? Because this map should be able to tell what the actual size and shape of the land is looking on the map. This map only shows. What shows? It tells us the actual size and shape of the land is by looking at the map. This is looking at the map. The maps, the information should be accurate. So it is very, very important one. Then the question is what question mark? So, okay, three questions. These three questions only. I will give these three questions. You please neatly copy it and study. Okay, ma? Okay. Then, how many questions I will give? Only three questions. That question you study and come. Okay, ma? Then we recall that some of the important points. Okay. Maps represent all or part of the earth's surface. They have to be accurate. Okay, these are one fact. Second, all maps are drawn to scale. All maps are drawn to scale. We scale down to draw maps and scale up, understand the actual size of the places drawn in maps. The colors and symbols in a map represent different kinds of information. Okay, the colors, what's that color? What's the important of a colors? The colors and the symbols in a map represent different kinds of information. Okay, ma? Okay, bye. You neatly copy it and study well. Okay, the next class we will see. Okay, fine. Keep quiet. Okay, ma. Okay, fine. Thank you.